These amateur divers didn't know what to do when this creature approached to them fast. They were not swimming fast enough to get away with it. Then they found the truth. Before we start, can we get this video to 1,000 likes? Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Dane and Phil were two amateur divers who had always dreamed of diving in Madagascar. Known for its crystal clear waters and diverse marine life, the island in the coast of Africa was a top destination for many tourists, photographers, and divers. The two friends had heard stories of the exotic animals that could be found in the waters around Madagascar, including lemurs, chameleons, turtles, dolphins, and even whale sharks. Madagascar is known to be a beautiful attraction for so many tourists, photographers, and divers. Arriving in Madagascar is entering a different universe of colors, food, animals, and beauties, which are worth the travel to island in the coast of Africa. The population of tropical animal varieties make this island even more interesting. Lemurs, chameleons, turtles, dolphins, whale sharks, and some strange creatures as well. Excited to finally make their dream trip a reality, Dane and Phil arrived in Madagascar, eager to explore the underwater world. They packed their gear and set out for their first dive, not knowing what to expect. As they descended into the water, they were amazed by the vibrant colors and diverse marine life that surrounded them. They snapped photos of the beautiful scenery, hoping to capture the magic of their experience. But they didn't expect this scenery at all. Dane and Phil were diving for about half an hour when they had this shocking experience. But their adventure took a terrifying turn when Phil spotted something large and strange approaching them in the distance. As the creature got closer, the two divers realized that they were not fast enough to outswim it, and they began to panic. Their hearts pounding in fear, they prepared for the worst. At first, Phil recognized something passed far away, but didn't see anything. After 5 minutes, he saw that a huge creature were coming towards them. They could not see that far away but knew they were in danger. They had to go back to the coast, but they weren't fast enough to get away with this creature. Their hearts were pounding when they looked at each other in despair. Then, something unbelievable happened. But as the creature drew near, they were shocked to discover that it was not dangerous at all. In fact, it was a dugong, also known as a sea cow, a large marine mammal that is the only herbivorous marine mammal. The dugong was friendly and sociable, and it appeared to be grazing on some herbs. The divers were relieved and amazed, realizing that the creature was not a threat, but rather an opportunity for a once-in-a-lifetime encounter. Overjoyed by their unexpected encounter, Dane and Phil played with the dugong and took amazing photos. They were grateful for the opportunity to see such a unique and gentle creature in the wild. They realized that their horrifying experience had turned out to be the best one they might ever have. In the end, they returned home with memories and photos that they would treasure forever. They would always remember the adventure they had in Madagascar and the dugong that had made it so special. They had learned to not be afraid of the unknown and to always be ready for the unexpected.